This is how you're going to add video slider in Elementor. So in order for you to do this, you're going to have to install a third-party add-on like Essential Add-ons or Premium Add-ons that provides a video gallery slider widget, as this is not a native Elementor widget. So you can do this by heading over to this left side section. You're going to scroll down, and then from there you're going to click on Explore Add-ons, and then it will take you to this page. Now from this page, you're just going to click on Essential Add-ons or Premium Add-ons. So we're just going to scroll down, and then you'll be able to see this Essential Add-on. So what we're going to do is we're just going to click on Let's Go, and then we are going to add this to our page. Now this is actually a paid website, or this is a paid add-on, so you're gonna need to pay for it. But if you want an alternative method in order for you to do this, you can do a video gallery or a slider from this itself, but it's going to be this media carousel. So we're just going to again find the media carousel from here, so you'll be able to see it right here. We're just going to drag it over to our page, and then from here we can add several items that we want. So for example, for the first item, we're going to add a video right here. So we're just going to toggle this video instead of the image under type, and then from there you're just going to choose the video that you want. You can enter your YouTube or your Vimeo link right here. For the item 2, it is the same. You're just going to again toggle it to video, and then for the item 3, item 4, it really depends on how many items you want to add, and then from there you can just do that. You can add more items if you want. You can toggle effect, you can change the effect if you want the slide, fade, cube. So of course for this one we want the slide because we want to add a video slider, and then from there we can also see we can do slides per view, slides to scroll, so maybe 1 or 2. It really depends on what you want. So this is going to serve as our slide once you click on these arrows right here, and that's it. That is how you can add video slider in Elementor. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.